Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today
We are diving into the exciting world of video editing.
and the best part is, you don't need to break the bank to get started. We will explore some fantastic free software option for both PC and mobile, and I will also share my secret sources for free stock videos and PNGs.
So let's jump right in.
First up, for all you PC users, we have got a powerhouse of a free video editing softwares, VSDC and DaVinci Resolve. There are also many other softwares which are also available without watermark, but this professional grade tool has everything you need to create stunning videos, from basic editing to advanced color correction and even audio mastering. It's like having a full-fledged studio at your fingertips. So to download the VSDC, go to their official website, click the first link and you will get your download link. Same for DaVinci, you can visit their official website and you are on your way to creating magic. But wait, what about all you mobile editors? I have got you covered too. Two fantastic apps that offer an impressive array of features are CapCut and InShort. Both apps are user-friendly and packed with editing capabilities that will make your videos pop. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned editor, these apps are a must-try on your journey to creating captivating content, as both CapCut and InShort have same workflow. So I will tell you a little bit about the CapCut. First of all, remove CapCut logo. So for that, go to the settings and then uncheck this toggle to add the default ending, and there you go. Now the best thing of CapCut is it is also available for the desktop. So for that, you can go to their official website and download it from there. The CapCut workspace is very easy to use, and see in this side you can upload all of your clips here. And if you need a full hand-on tutorial on CapCut, do let us know. We will try to make it as early as possible. Now, let's talk about making your videos stand out with some eye-catching stock footage. One of my go-to sources for free stock videos is Pixabay. They have got a vast library of high-quality videos covering a wide range of topics, all ready to take your videos to the next level. Simply head over to their website, search for the perfect clip, and you are good to go. But wait, what if you need some stunning graphics to add that extra flair to your videos? Look no further than PNG Wing. This fantastic website offers a treasure trove of free PNG images that you can use to enhance your video projects. From icons to transparent overlays, they have got it all. Just visit their website, find the perfect PNG and watch your videos come to life. So there you have it, my dear fellows. You now know how to get started with video editing using fantastic free software for both PC and mobile. Plus, you have got the inside scoop on where to find stunning stock videos and PNGs to make your video truly shine. I can't wait to see the incredible content you will create with these tools and resources.
Remember to like the video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content.
Until next time, happy editing.